first thing to do is to multiply 5 times 2 equals 10. So next is 8 times 1. So since this is plus, so we write here addition sign, then plus 8 over, so just multiply this one, 8 times 2. So 8 times 2 equals 16. So next is add 10 plus 8 equals 18. So over 16. So since the numerator is bigger than the denominator, you have to divide this one. So we have to divide 18 divided by 16 equals 1. Then 1 times 16 equals 16. Then subtract, okay, 2. So in writing this 1 into mixed form or mixed fraction, you have to write first the quotient 1. Then next is 2. So the remainder is the numerator of the mixed fraction. Then the denominator is 16. So since 1 and 2, 16 can be reduced to lowest term, so you have to find the greatest common divisor for this number, 2 and 16, divided by 2 and divided by 2. So don't forget to write 1 here, then 2 divided by 2 equals 1, then 16 divided by 2 equals 8. So the answer is 1 and 1/8.